Welcome to the TD Waterhouse Center in Orlando. It's the Orlando Magic and the Denver Nuggets. Hill is one of the players we anticipate will be getting a lot of minutes tonight.
He can hurt you in a lot of ways. He can take you to the rim, and he can crash the boards and kill you with second chance opportunities. The opposing team will definitely have a tough time matching up against him.
Denver controls the tip. Anthony forced to adjust by Hunter, but the gorgeous move takes the contact, adjusts his shot in midair, and gets it to go. He puts one up. It's good from inside. What a move by Anthony. Lays it in.
Pick him up. Right. Come on, man. Call that
foul. Lou with no one on him. Can't get the three from downtown. Advances up court. Tomahawks it through. Carmelo Anthony. Brings it up court. McGrady able to penetrate. McGrady putting it down. Tracy McGrady.
Tracy McGrady's established himself as one of the elite players in the league. He has the ability to take over games with his all-around play.
The move by Lou. Yes!
Here's that play one more time.
Give it up.
He serves up the facial. Carmelo Anthony. Here's Hill. Makes his first from downtown.
For three. What up? Dragging him all.
Anthony not able to answer at the other end. Canby surprises him from behind. What a move. Carmelo Anthony.
Right deep. 1 minute to go in the first quarter.
McGrady guarded by Barry. Good move by Lou. Canby forces the tough shot. Here it is again. Oh, the gorgeous move by Anthony. Able to penetrate. Carmelo Anthony. About 45 seconds left in the quarter.
That pass definitely did not find its intended receiver. That was a poor decision on his part.
Setting it up.
Anthony wants to isolate his defender and go one-on-one.
It doesn't drop for him. He got hit on that play, made the adjustment to get it off, and it just did not fall. The shot hits for two. They've switched the shot clock off. What a move by Anthony. Anthony covered by Hill.
The Nuggets are clearing out and isolating the defender.
5 seconds left in the quarter. Counted for two. The first quarter comes to an end. The Nuggets lead by one. They're off to a nice start offensively.
They need to keep this up for 3 more quarters.
We got pressure. Be a minute, baby. Going 5 up.
With the penetration, with the shot, McGrady is fouled, and he's being sent to the line. It drops.
Number 1. Eye on your man.
He hits both. Here's Anthony. Gets two from inside.
The defensive pressure needs to improve. It shouldn't be that easy for the other team to drive inside and score.
McGrady is met by Barry. He has the mismatch, and he should try and capitalize on it. Misses the two.
Camby is refusing to give up easy baskets down low.
He made a nice effort to force the opposing player into a tough shot. Hunter with the notion to fire. The move by Anthony. Able to shake loose. Carmelo Anthony. Hill gets into the paint. Can't hit from inside. Denver is making a nice effort right now to keep the other team off the glass. Nails the jumper. Orlando is making an effort defensively, but the other team is on fire from the field.
They're hitting tough shots, Marv. This team needs to keep up the defensive pressure.
He puts it up.
They need to find their shooting touch to work their way back into this game.
Well, their lack of ability to convert easy shots from in close is really hurting them. Anthony sets it up near the middle, throws it down. Carmelo Anthony.
You can sense that this team is ready to break out and take control of this game. They've knocked down several shots in a row.
Good move by Hill. Hill is 3 for 4 from the field. Oh, the gorgeous move by Anthony. Able to shake loose. Carmelo Anthony. Camby with quite a play.
He read his man perfectly, Mark. The Nuggets are still aggressively rebounding the ball on defense. They've owned the glass so far in this game.
Here's Anthony. Anthony takes the contact, adjusts his shot, and is able to finesse it home.
1 minute left in the second quarter.
Here's McGrady.
He is shooting 80% from the field.
Anthony picked up by Hill. Anthony shooting, hits the two.
They don't need to take a bad shot, but if they can get a shot off quickly, they can go for a 2-for-1 here.
Hill pulling up from the perimeter. The three doesn't go. They're not giving up many open looks from three-point territory. That was a nice defensive play by Anthony.
They're going to let the offensive player take his defender one-on-one.
Anthony from close range.
The Nuggets cleared everyone out of the way, and the shooter knocked down the shot.
The shot clock's been turned off. 14 left to play in the quarter. McGrady lets it go. It's good from inside. The delivery by Howard. It's good. The officials will have to review it, though, but it looked good from here. They've reviewed it, and the officials are indicating that he did get it off in time. McGrady from the perimeter can't get the three from downtown. Camby has been a major presence on the board.
His rebounding effort has been a team-leading best. He gives his team a lot of energy.
On your left. Get in the passing lane.
He chases it down, advances up court. Pulling up, he drains it. The Nuggets look unstoppable right now offensively.
This has been an impressive shooting display.
Hill rises from the perimeter. The three-pointer is good. Camby steps out of bounds with no one around him.
He needs to keep his head in the game.
Hunter with the jumper, misses from the paint. They've out-rebounded the other team by a considerable margin.
It hasn't even been close, Mark.
Let's go to the replay, Czar. McGrady from outside, no good from three-point land. The feed by Hill. Good job of keeping his cool and finding his teammate for the assist.
Number 33. Grant
What a
Hill.
move by Anthony. Anthony with a great concentration. He knew the contact was coming and compensated for it to make the shot. Lou with the ball. Hunter charged with the offensive foul, his first personal. The spin. He tees it up, denied by Hill.
A rejection is a great way to inspire the team.
Well, you can tell he's feeling it on defense. Here's Anthony. Anthony able to absorb the contact, makes the adjustment, and scores the basket. Candy rejects that shot. Brings it up court. Here's Anthony. Nice basket. He absorbs the contact, changes his shot while in flight,
1 minute to go
and makes the
in
basket.
third quarter.
There seems to be a lack of defensive responsibility.
I agree, Czar. They gave up an easy basket on that play. What a move. Carmelo Anthony.
Orlando's having a hard time slowing down the other team offensively.
They need to get a defensive stop to avoid getting discouraged. Setting it up. Hunter being played by Nene. With the emphatic dunk. Here is another look at that play.
34. Stephen Hunter.
What up?
Offensive foul to number 15, Carmelo Anthony. That's his first personal.
Lou with the shot. Jumper doesn't go. Miller played solid defense down low and forced the opposition into a tough shot. Anthony working from the right side. Anthony guarded by Hill. 13 seconds remaining on the clock.
Get it off! Shot block!
Yes, a spectacular shot to end the quarter.
The referees still have to review it, but it looked like he definitely released it in time.
This is still anyone's game with only the fourth quarter left to play. It will
What up?
lays it up for two.
The Nuggets picked the right time to run an isolation play. The shooter made it look easy.
Get out on it!
Hits his first three-point.
For three.
What?
Anthony with the facial. McGrady covered by Barry.
I got him!
Three to get it off. Hunter with the open shot. It doesn't go. He had to get rid of it. The two's no good. Anthony commits the offensive foul. Clock's at 4.
5 seconds, yo!
Clock's at 2. Misses the long two. Lou from up close. Can't get it to go from in close. Advances up court.
Anthony wants to clear everyone out and isolate his defender.
He serves up the facial. Carmelo Anthony. The Nuggets were able to open it up earlier and have maintained a commanding lead. Lou is met by Anthony. McGrady fires, comes up with two. The setup by Lou.
Tyronn Lue.
What?
1 minute remaining in the fourth quarter.
2-1. Help! Seal him and rip it!
The three's good from downtown.
The Nuggets have done an excellent job of keeping up the pressure and avoiding a letdown.
Their strong play has continued in the fourth quarter. Can't hit for two.
Howard made a poor effort defensively on that play. He should have fouled him to prevent the easy basket.
Hunter defended by Camby. With the spectacular move, Grant Hill.
Number 10, Tyronn Lue.
The Nuggets are clearing out and isolating the defender.
Anthony picked up by Hill.
Put it out!
4 left on the clock.
Check the time!
A second.
The Nuggets showed the killer instinct to put this team away.
This game's all wrapped up.
The Nuggets get a very impressive win. It's never easy to blow out the home team.
You have to give their defense credit for limiting the other team's offense. Here is tonight's player of the game.
EA Sports. That's right. They know how we ball. Let's get it right.